Hi everyone, today I want to share with you something I've worked on for a few months. This is called SifarGuna. It's a system designed for behavioral change towards plastic consumption. Malaysia is a country that is known throughout the world with its variety of culture, food and natural resources. However, with its new direction in dealing with greenwashing and environmental concern, Malaysia is also well known to be the world's dumping ground for plastics in the year 2018. On top of that, Malaysia generates plastic waste in an alarming rate. Landfills are filling up and new areas are needed to be used as landfills, which contributes to more issues of overpopulation in major city areas. Cities such as Kuala Lumpur is highly affected with this. This issue reflects our consumption behavior, culture and industry that is not designed to be feasible for our planet in the long term. In average, Malaysian households produce around 0.22 to 0.44 kilogram waste in a day. This number is highly significant compared to other Asian countries. 60% of the wastes are categorized to be plastics. I started this project with the notion that to reduce consumption of plastics in our life, we must design a system that provides value in reusing materials that we consume and adopt it as part of our lifestyle. Our ideas and practice of consumption are relative to how a system works and our expectation for what we can gain from it. This new idea of sustainable consumption must be taught early on in ensuring good behavior to be a lasting habit. This is where SifarGuna design begins. I envision that recycling systems, bins, and reverse vending machines will be more advanced in the upcoming 5 years. What type of recycling system that I can design that fits this purpose? This system will utilize a plastic waste transfer machine that is reward point based, carries out simple instructions and execution for specific target users. Let's start with the target user first. Ones that can absorb information, enjoy fun-time activities, and value rewards for them does not necessarily mean money. This is where I start with school children. They are exposed to our plastic industry early on with toys for their entertainment and development of their motor skills. With that determined, the design takes form of a plastic waste transfer or reverse vending machine that dispenses toys using plastic waste as its material and currency. The design characteristics of the machine is based on excitement, joy, and fun. The form, shapes, and overall look is also adapted to make it easier for users to interact with it. The machine is called Kitar, a part of SifarGuna recycling system. The machines will be installed throughout major cities in Kuala Lumpur. The eye holes are used to deposit PET bottles and is labeled based on the allocated space. These materials will be stored inside the compartment. While idle, instructions will appear on the screen for users to read. After activated, users can scan their reward point cards and start depositing the PET bottles to collect rewards. The plastic waste collected in these machines will be compacted into a plastic car toy, dispensed after users purchase them with their reward points collected. The pattern of the design is determined with plastic bottles and wraps collected in the vending machine. The random patterns of the toys encourage users to trade their toys with other users or make more efforts in being consistent with their recycling routine. PET bottles is chosen as the main material to be recycled, as currently it is the best material to be reused efficiently with existing technology. On top of that, the labels can be used for design patterns. Car toys are made out of small parts that users can assemble. This ensures that they can replace it if anything happens to it. The replacement parts can also be purchased from the waste transfer machine. In developing this project, I came to a limitation whereby live user testing in a controlled setting cannot be done to the constraint of COVID-19 pandemic. Unfortunately, important insights cannot be discovered due to this issue. Notably, there are also other factors I need to weigh in for this project. Technological advancement in recycling, production of water bottles, undiscovered issues on plastic manufacturing. I hope one day I can realize this project and test it out in the real field. Issues caused by the way we consume plastics may not be solved in 5 years or even in 20 years. But that does not mean we shouldn't work to make a better future for the younger generation. After all, the things we do are what define us.